Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Reddit account. So first of all, open up the Reddit app. Once you're at Reddit app, click on your profile picture at the top right corner right here. Now in here, click on settings. Now in here, click on account settings. Now in here, scroll to the bottom and in here, click on delete account and in here, click on yes delete. And after that, this pop will show up saying your account was successfully deleted. So that is how you can delete your Reddit account.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Reddit account. So first of all, open up Reddit. Now once you're at Reddit, click on your profile picture at the top right here, click on it. Now in here, click on view profile. Now once you're at the profile section, just copy your username right here. Now after that, click on your profile picture again and this time click on settings. Now in here, just simply scroll down and click on delete account. Now in here you'll have to give them a reason to go, which is optional. Now in here just paste that username that you just copied, scroll down and you will have to type in your Reddit password. After you type in the password, select this option right here and in here click on delete. And after that they will take you to this interface right here and your Reddit account would be completely deleted. So that is how you can delete your Reddit account.